Hello, good morning, students. Today I want to elaborate advanced phraseography section number 4 for all of you. It is based on doubling principle. Okay, the first word is above there. The outline is finished above on the line. Okay, but with there it is doubled to go through the line. Over there. Similarly, over doubled for there, before there, be and for doubled for there. Similarly, before there is a small circle, add in with this stroke. From there, for doubled for there. Has to be there, has to be doubled for there. Has been there, has circle been doubled for there. Be doubled with an hook. How can there be? How K doubled for there and be. I'm sure there is. I का टिक am stroke and sure इश के साथ और there is के लिए double with S circle. I believe there will be. I का टिक believe double for there will and upward L for will and B का stroke for B. I have there, I have V doubled for there. I have been there, I V doubled for there with the tick of N, with the hook of N for been. I know there is, I and double for there and S circle for is. I know there is not. I and double for there, S circle for is and not. I know there will be. I and doubled for there will be. I see there. I as doubled for there with S circle for is. I think there will be. I it doubled for there will L upward be. I wish there were. I ish doubled for there downward R for were. If there, F doubled for there. If there is, F double for there with a circle. If there is to be, similar outline to be added to this outline. If it be there, if half for it be double for there. In their case, N doubled for their, K with a circle. In their opinion, N doubled for their opinion and stroke with an hook. In their statement, N doubled for their S, T half for another T with meant, M half for T with N hook, in which there is N stroke, J double for their S circle, increasing their value, N curve, S circle, NG doubled, increasing का NG doubled for their V वैल्यू के लिए V L upward with U, making their way, M K NG double for their way upward, more than their, MR doubled for their with N hook, pending their decision, P hard with N hook, NG double for their, D S with unhook, shall be there, ish D doubled for there. Then there are, then doubled for there is with N hook doubled for there and upward R for R. They have been there, they have doubled for there with N hook for been. though, there is, though, it, the doubled for there, with a circle for is, upon there, T with N hook doubled through the line. We have there, way upward, we doubled for there. We have been there. Way upward, we doubled for there with N hook for been. Whenever there is, when we double for there and S circle. By some other means, B upward, S circle, M double for other, another M with NS hook. Next is some other, S circle with M double for other. Some other way, S circle, M double for other with upward way. Some other respects, some S circle, M double for other, R upward S, P with S. Or some other downward R above the line, S circle, M double for other. In other words, and above the line, double for other words, we have for D with S circle. In order, and R doubled above the line. In order that, and R doubled with that above the line. In order to, and halved, and R halved above the line. My dear sir, M doubled for D, S circle downward R. My dear madam, M doubled for dear, another M halved for D, and a common M for another last M. My dear friend, M doubled for dear with fur with N hook halved. My dear fellow citizens, M doubled with full, S circle, T, S circle, N, S circle, citizens, fellow citizens.